Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix common issues on your Apple Watch Ultra 3.
Fix 1. Watch not charging. Step 1. Make sure the back of the watch and charger are clean. Step 2. Align the watch correctly on the MagSafe charger. Step 3. Restart the watch if it still doesn't charge. Fix 2. Frozen or unresponsive watch. Step 1. Press and hold both the side button and digital crown. Step 2. Keep holding for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Watch not pairing with iPhone. Step 1. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Step 2. Restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch. Step 3. Try pairing again via the Watch app. Fix 4. Apps not opening or crashing. Step 1. Close the app and reopen it. Step 2. Restart the watch if the problem persists. Step 3. Make sure WatchOS is updated. Fix 5. Heart rate or blood oxygen not tracking. Step 1. Ensure the watch is snug on your wrist. Step 2. Clean the sensor on the back of the watch. Step 3. Enable heart rate and blood oxygen tracking in the Watch app. Fix 6. Notifications not working. Step 1. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is off. Step 2. Check notification settings in the Watch app. Step 3. Restart the watch if notifications still don't appear.